Is your SketchUp apps broken by the SketchUp Common Preferences DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we dive into the SketchUp Common Preferences troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the SketchUp Common Preferences, manages the localized user preferences and localized workspace layout manifests for SketchUp 3D software. It facilitates the localized reading and writing of registry-based localized settings for toolbar positions and 3D rendering profiles. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of SketchUp to restore SketchUp Common Preferences DLL safely. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the SketchUp Common Preferences file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Most individual downloads of SketchUp Common Preferences DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. A recommended diagnostic path for SketchUp Common Preferences management is outlined in the software resource linked below. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for SketchUp Common Preferences and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.